Hello, demo video how to use a professional turbo decoder for mount trucks. First thing, prepare the tool, reset, right, front, injection, clean the lock, insert any profile which go into that lock to make it clean. Insert the tool, turn right, push to the front, insert. The tool will show you the orientation. Just go there, touch the bottom of the lock. If you see this movement, the tool is not correctly oriented. Just click, extract, reverse, insert again, check, nothing move here, pull back, 3 stop sectors to follow with the right and left tension. Apply tension, go to 1, turn back and release. Check the lock, left, 1, back, release. Repeat that first stop point for 15 to 20 times maximum. You have to stop at 1. The tool can go up to 3, but you must stop it to 1. When you finish 15 to 20 times by stop at 1, increase and go on the second, in the middle. Stop in the middle for next 15 to 20 times. Tension force must be medium to strong, not so weak. Don't be afraid. With the fingers you cannot break the tool. So apply tension as strong as you can, and that is the unlocking. Now you gotta extract the tool from the lock. Just turn right, push to the front, extract the tool, smooth and easy, slide back and check the pin configuration, extract the code, cut the mechanical key, and so on and so on. That is easy unlock with the original Turbo Decoder. Thank you for watching and good luck.